guys, and thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a mermaid tail using my two favorite techniques, the chain pull and acrylic swipe techniques. To prepare my paints for the swipe that I'm going to do later, I'm adding 1 drop of silicone to each of these cups and giving them a quick stir. Okay, so those are ready. Now I'm laying down a titanium white base coat that's mixed 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol. All the paints that I'll be using for the chain pull are mixed 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol. And the paints that I'll be using today are all Artist Loft paints. To create the outline of the tail, I'm using light violet. And this is violet, which is just a little bit darker. Now I'm adding a bit of aqua green. A few dots of phthalo blue. And a few dots of light blue. To create the tail, I'm laying the chain down and then just gently pulling it along. I'm using a 16 by 20 inch canvas, so that's roughly 40 by 50 centimeters. So this tail is actually quite big, and the chain that I'm using is definitely the longest piece of chain that I've ever used for one of these. I don't actually think that I've mentioned before, but this is the kind of chain that generally hangs from a ceiling fan, to turn it on and off. So you could buy this on Amazon, or you could buy it at a hardware store like Home Depot. If you look in the description box, you will find links to the various products that I use. To create this little portion of the body, I'm going to do a swipe. I'm laying down a base coat of titanium white that's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. So this is a thinner consistency than the white that I was using earlier. Paints that I'm laying down now are all mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water plus 1 drop of silicone, which you saw me add earlier. The first color I laid down was turquoise. This is aqua green. This is light blue, and this is light violet. Now I'm just gently swiping with my palette knife to create the cells. I had about 12 grams of paint mixture in each of the cups, but only ended up using about 3 to 5 grams from each of the cups. applying the heat gun to help a few more cells pop up. So I was debating a little bit about what I would do for the background, but I quite like it with just a really simple white background. So I'm going to add white paint all around. If I'd known I was going to go with a plain white background at the beginning, I could just have laid down white paint on the whole canvas to start off with. But anyway, I'll add it now. So now I'm going to bring you in for a quick close-up. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you'd like to see more fluid acrylic art tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I look forward to seeing you again next time.